Do you want to make money online as an affiliate? The best affiliate programs have high-ticket, recurring commissions like the mentors. In this video, we're going to take a look at what you get when you join the mentors and how you can earn commissions from $20 to $100 and more as an affiliate for them. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your YouTube channel and make money online. Consider subscribing if you're pumped to make the new year your best year, break free from the 9-to-5 hustle and struggle, and create a life of freedom and abundance for yourself. At my resources page down below, I'm giving you free masterclasses with the mentors so that you can check them out yourself. Here is a walkthrough of what you get when you join the mentors. If you're gonna make money online, you need to learn how to market and sell on the internet. And that's what you learn with the mentors. When you join their program, you're gonna get support finding your niche, defining your target audience, and deciding which platform to market on. Maybe Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, who knows where your target audience is. You're also getting support building your authority website. There's even tech support and web hosting available. And you're gonna be able to build a brand. You're also gonna choose paid or unpaid, which is organic, marketing strategies. With the mentors, you also learn funnels on the internet and online business models like affiliate marketing. You're getting access to hundreds of LinkedIn learning courses and hundreds of other mentors, webinars, workshops, and modules so that you can learn everything there is to learn about how to market and sell on the internet. You're also getting access to weekly meetings with representatives from the mentors team, and you're able to join Facebook groups and the mentors community platform. Everything to help you break free from the 9-to-5 struggle hustle and creating that lifestyle of freedom and abundance for yourself. So it's a freedom lifestyle concept that you're getting mentored in. I was lost in cyberspace until I found the mentors, where I found the platform, the know-how, the mentors, the coaching, the training, and the support to take my dreams and make them a reality. So how can you earn as an affiliate for the mentors? You can market their training as an affiliate, referring customers and earning commissions, everything from $20 to $100 or $1,000 depending on the sale. And these commissions are recurring. So start your journey with the mentors by grabbing the free masterclasses down below at my resources page. Click on the mentors, opt in with your first name and email address, and take it from there. This is the perfect time for you to create change, build an income online, and fire your boss. If you're getting value out of this, smash the like button, and then next watch these videos more about affiliate marketing and how to grow on YouTube. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.